This is a video on mathematics for the students of class 9 and we are discussing circle, that is chapter 15. This is fourth part of the video. Let us look into the first question that we have today. This is question number 12. AB is a diameter of a circle. M is a point in AB such that AM is equal to 18 centimeter and MB is equal to 8 centimeter. We need to find out the length of the shortest chord. Now we have AM here, which is given to us 18, and MB is equal to 8 centimeter. If you see the diagram, AB is the diameter of the circle. So if we can find out the total length of the diameter here, with this we can find out the radius of the circle. So AM plus MB will be equal to the diameter of the circle, that is AB, which comes to 26 centimeter, and therefore radius of the circle will be 13 centimeter. Now we need to find out the length of the shortest chord, that is CD, given to us. If you see the point AM, it bisects the chord, and OM is the distance between the center and the chord. Now we have the total length of the radius to be as your 13 centimeter, plus we also have OM here. So if total is 18, if I subtract 13 centimeter of the radius here, we get the length of OM, which is equal to 5 centimeter. So your distance between the chord is 5 centimeter, and we also know that radius of the circle we have just calculated, which is 13 centimeter. Now in triangle OMC, or you can also use in triangle OMD, any one of according to your wish, but since it has been given us in the diagram, so we are using OMC here. So your hypotenuse square, that is your OC square, is equal to your OM square plus CM square, and solving this we get the length of CM, which is 12 centimeter. So since we know that M is bisecting CD, so length of CM will be equal to MD. Therefore, length of CD will be twice the length of CM, that is equal to 24 centimeter. Next question, we have a rectangle with one side of length, which is 14 centimeter, and it is inscribed in a circle. So rectangle will be inside your circle, and the diameter of the circle is given to us, that is 5 centimeter. So we can calculate the radius here, that is 2.5. Now if we compare triangle ABC, we know that opposite sides are equal. Now we are told that one of the side is 5 centimeter, and we know that diameter is 5 centimeter and one of the side is 4 centimeter. So we can find out the third side. So I've taken triangle ACB, and if you see this, your AC square will be equal to AB square plus CB square, and therefore length of CB comes to 3 centimeter. So we have two sides of the rectangle. Since it's mentioned rectangle, that means opposite sides are equal. So we have 3 centimeter and 4 centimeter of one of the side is already given to us. We can use it to find out the area of rectangle, that is length into breadth, which is equal to 12 centimeters square. Let us see the next question. The length of the common chord of the two intersecting circles is 30 centimeter, and if the radii of the two circles are 25 and 17, we need to find out the distance between their centers. So radius of the first one is given to us 25 and length of the chord is given to us 30. So since M is the midpoint, so your PM is equal to 15 and MQ is also equal to 15. Now that is what we have calculated here. Now comparing triangle POM using Pythagoras theorem, we can get the distance of the center of the first circle from the chord, that comes to OM, which is equal to 20 centimeter. That can be calculated using Pythagoras theorem. Similarly, for the second triangle also, we are given the radius already. We need to find out the distance of the chord from the center here, and we also know the length of PM or MQ here. Using the formula, we can find out the line O dash M here. So this we got 8 centimeter. Once adding the distance between the two centers, we get the length, or we can get the distance between the two centers of two different circles. So OM plus O dash M, that comes to 28 centimeter.